Hello teacher, my name is Gerson David Maestro Montañez. I am 24 years old. I am Colombian. I live and work in Aguazul, Casanare. I study Regency in Pharmacy. I am doing the 5th semester. I like indoor activities, like watching TV, listening to music, cooking, and eating. I don't like outdoor activities. The last years I traveled with my boyfriend to different places of Boyacá. Initially we were in Sogamoso. Then we visited Laguna de Tota. Next we were in Paipa, visited some hot springs and went to the Vargas Reservoir. It's a place beautiful, full of history. The next year, we are going to travel to Rio Sucio Caldas to visit some friends and to the carnivals there. We also want to go to Guatapé, Antioquia, and different places in Antioquia. Thank you, teacher.